Hello students, today in this video we are talking about the chapter linear regression from the section C and exercise. Question number 1 is if the two lines of regression are 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0, then find the value of x bar and y bar. X bar and y bar is the mean of the respective data. Now look at here. The given line are not a simple equation of line, but this is a two lines of regression. If two lines are regression are given here, then find the value of x bar and y bar. It means, as we know that when intersecting of two lines of regression are finding by x and y, then the value of x and y is also known as a x bar and y bar. अगर किसी भी लीनियर रिग्रेशन की टू इक्वेशन अगर गिवन हो और हम लीनियर रिग्रेशन को जब सॉल्व करते हैं, इन दोनों इक्वेशन को साइमल्टेनियसली जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे, तब हमें जो x और y की वैल्यू मिलेगी वो x और y की वैल्यू ही हमारे लिए x बार और y बार होगा. चलिए देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. नाउ इक्वेशन 1 इज 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. This equation may be written in this form: 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 1. This is equation 1. And equation 2 is 2x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. It means 2x minus y is equals to 2. This is equation 2. Two lines are regression are representing by equation 1 and equation 2. Now look at here, the coefficient of equation 1 in equation 1 coefficient of y is minus 2 and in equation 2 coefficient of y is minus 1. Now if we have to multiply equation 2 multiplied with 2 and subtracting equation 1 from the result of multiplying of equation 2 with 2, then we get equation 2 multiplying by 2, then we get 2 2s are 4x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now equation 1 is 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 1. Now after subtracting, signs will be changed, then minus plus cancel out, 4x minus 3x, then we get x is equals to 5. x is equals to 5. अभी जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बताया कि जब टू लाइंस ऑफ रिग्रेशन गिवन होती हैं तो x और y की वैल्यू ही x बार एंड y बार होती हैं. देयरफॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ x बार इज इक्वल्स टू 5. नाउ इन अ सेम वे, putting the value of x in equation 1 और 2, हम x की वैल्यू को चाहे इक्वेशन 1 में पुट करें या 2 में, जैसे साइमल्टेनियसली इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते थे एकदम इजीएस्ट फॉर्म पर क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते चले जाना है. नाउ पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन इक्वेशन 1, देन वी गेट 3. इन प्लेस ऑफ x वी हैव टू पुट 5 minus 2y is equals to minus 1. Then 15 minus 2y is equals to minus 1. Now 15 plus 1 is equals to 2y. 16 is equals to 2y, means y is equals to 8. And y is equals to 8 is nothing but this is a value of y bar. Y bar is equals to 8. Now required answer for x bar and y bar is respectively 5 and 8. Second question is, if two lines of regression where coefficient of correlation is given by 0.6 and minus 1.4, then find the coefficient of correlation. Now as we know that coefficient of correlation denoted by R, and coefficient of regression is denoted by Byx and Bxy. In this question, the firstly given Byx and Bxy. Now Byx is equals to minus 0.6 and Bxy is equals to minus 1.4. Now, as we know that coefficient of correlation is given by R. It means, as we know that R square is equals to Byx multiplied with Bxy. Now R is given by in this way, minus means root of Byx and Bxy. Now value of Byx is equals to minus 0.6 into minus 1.4. Now R is equals to root of minus minus plus, but 0.6 is written in this form, 6 upon 10 into 14 upon 10. Therefore R is equals to root of, look at here, upon value 10 10 100, and this is 16 into 14. R is equals to, if we have to written in this form, 2 into 3, 2 into 7, and value of root 100 is 10. Then R is equals to, look at here, 2 times, it means 2 by 10, root of 21. And if both Byx and Bxy are negative, then R is also a negative. It means the whole value R is negative. Now R is equals to, when 2 is dividing by 10, then we get 0.2 minus 0.2 multiplied with root of 21, which is the required answer for this question. R is nothing but this is a coefficient of correlation. Question number 3, sigma x is equals to 60, sigma y is equals to 105, sigma x square is equals to 800, and sigma y square is equals to 2000, sigma xy is equals to 1200, n is equals to 10. Then find regression coefficient of y on x. Regression coefficient y on x, it means we have to find the value of Byx. Now by using the formula of Byx is equals to, formula of Byx is equals to n times sigma xy, n times of sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x square whole square. Now sigma x whole square. Now substituting the value of all these terms, then we get Byx is equals to, value of n is 10, and value of sigma xy is equals to 1200 minus value of sigma x is equals to 60, value of sigma y is equals to 105 upon n is 10 sigma x square, value of sigma x square is equals to 800 minus sigma x whole square, the value of sigma x is equals to 60, whole square of this, then we get this. Now Byx is equals to 1200 multiplied by 10, then we get 12,000 minus 60 into 105, then we get 6 5s are 30. In this way, upon 8,000 minus 36 100. Then we get byx is equals to 12,000 minus 6,300. Then we get 5700 upon 8,000 minus 3,600. Then we get the value of 4400. Now byx is equals to, both are cancelled, then we get 57 by 44, which is the required answer. Means this is the required value of coefficient of regression coefficient of y on x. Question number 5th is sigma x is equals to 55, sigma y is also 55. The value of sigma xy is equals to 350. Sigma x square is equals to 385 and n is equals to 10. Then find the coefficient of regression y on x and x on y respectively. Now by using the formula, coefficient of regression byx is equals to n times of sigma xy minus sigma xy upon n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Now putting the value of all these terms respectively, then we get value of n is 10 and value of sigma xy. Sigma xy is equals to 350 minus 350 upon n is 10, sigma x square. Value of sigma x square is equals to 385 minus sigma x whole square, means whole square of 55. byx is equals to 3500 minus 350 upon 3850 minus square of 55. जब ऐसे नंबर होते हैं जिनके लास्ट में 5 हो, इनके स्क्वायर को फाइंड करने की एक शॉर्टकट मेथड देखिए. 5 का स्क्वायर फिक्स हो जाता है 25 एंड 5 के आगे का जो नंबर होता है वो होता है 6. इट मींस 6 इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद 5, देन वी गेट 6 5s are 30. मींस स्क्वायर ऑफ 55 इज 3025. After solving, we get 3,500 minus 350, 3850 minus 3025. Then we get the value of byx is equals to, now 0 5 150 upon 825. Now byx is equals to 5 3s means 30 and 5 1s 5, 3 5s means 30 upon 165. Again we have to divide this term by 5, then we get 5 6s and 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15. Now 2 3s 3 2s 6 and 3 1s, means value of byx is equals to 2 by 11, which is the required answer for this question. Thank you class.